Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 3D mobile flip animation on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get started guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and wait, I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project here and I'm just going to pick video from the CapCut library. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to add another video as an overlay. I'm going to tap on overlay and then add overlay. And I'm going to add video from the library again. For the video, I'm going to choose this one. Okay. I'm choosing this video because the ratio will suit the mobile frame, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, now the video has been added to this project, and then we can go to the animation. You can tap on the video first and then you can select the animation, and to add the 3D mobile flip animation, we're going to go to the combo category, and here you can scroll down until you find the smartphone animation. This one guys, tap on that. Okay, and this is the result, and you can customize the duration for the in and out. Okay, just like this. You can customize it according to your needs, and once you're done you can click on the check mark. Okay, and you can zoom in or zoom out. I'm going to place it here, for example, and I'm going to change the position. Okay, and now let's take a look at the final result. Okay, wait, I think I need to change the in and out. I'm just going to make it full like this. Okay, and this is how the animation looks like. And you can add another video with this animation if you want. Just add another video using the overlay, and you'll be able to create another 3D mobile flip animation. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 3D mobile flip animation on CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!